What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're focusing in on AZTEC Beard Company. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are not subscribed, I really do think you should consider hitting that subscribe button down below and joining in on all the fantastic beard related content we have on this channel. Now that intro is completely out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the review. So like I just said, we're talking about AZTEC Beard Company. This is a rebrand. Now this company right here has taken off. Everywhere I look, I'm seeing this company pop up with rave reviews, so why not try them out and put a review out on this channel. Now when you do order from AZTEC Beard Company with the beard oils, this does come in a frosted glass bottle, which I love the look of those. Comes with the standard dropper top on top of it. The labeling for AZTEC Beard Company is amazing. Fantastic, vibrant, colorful, really does embody that Aztec culture that they're going for the brand and for the image of this beard company. Looks fantastic. You do have all the information on these bottles as well. You have the carrier oil blend, you have the name of the scent, you have the scent profile broke down on it as well. So fantastic job with the presentation. Couldn't be more pleased with what AZTEC Beard Company is bringing to the table with their presentations on their beard oils. Now with AZTEC Beard Company, you're really gonna pick what you want from this company with a beard oil. They have two carrier blends that you can choose from. They have a 50% ostrich oil, 50% premium blend, and then they just have the straight up premium blend, which you can look at as well. That does consist of hemp seeds, sweet almond, kukui nut, avocado, rosehip oils, aloe extracts, vitamin E, and then your fragrance oils or essential oils. Those are all going to be in that premium blend. Now you can get that one by itself for $18.99, or you can spend a little extra money, go up to the 50% ostrich oil and the premium oil mix, and that's going to run you $23.99. Now, unfortunately for this channel, I don't have a discount code to offer you, but I do have a lot of friends and they have a code, so I will drop a couple of those down in the description below. Take your pick, see which one you want to use. I believe they're all going to be 10% off, so that's going to save you just a little bit of cash when it comes to picking up a beard oil from AZTEC Beard Company. Now, as far as feel and beard is concerned, I didn't have a problem with either one of these, but if I have to pick one of the two, I'm going with the ostrich oil every time. That thing just feels so great in my beard, makes my beard feel so soft, and it does a great job at hitting a reset button for me personally. Now the premium blend, no complaints whatsoever. It doesn't clog up your pores and it feels great, has great properties, but I'm just being honest, if I have to pick one of the two, ostrich oil wins every time. So the first scent that I'm going to be looking at is called Classico. Now this scent is a 50% ostrich oil, 50% premium oil mix. The scent profile is citrus, bay rum, amber, oud, and cologne. Now when I do smell this one right here, it is a fresh, wonderful, clean barbershop cologne scent. Now it does have a little bit of a spicy note in my opinion. I think that's the bay rum, which I correlate with a bay leaf scent. It does have a nice little spice punch kick to it. So I really do think that's unique. I'm really getting into these barbershop scents. So I think this one right here, out of all of them that I have, is easily in a top 5. If you do like barbershop scents, definitely check this scent out from AZTEC Beard Company. Now the second scent that I have to go over is called Strawberry Whey. Now this is an extremely popular scent among everybody that loves AZTEC Beard Company. I had this in the premium oil mix. The scent profile does consist of vanilla, strawberry, fruity notes, incense, leather, cedarwood, and amber. Now when I do smell this scent right here, unique is the first word that comes to my mind. Now, when I do smell this right up front, I get strawberries. It's not a sweet strawberry. It's more of just a natural scent of what strawberries would smell like. After that, I do get incense and leather, really wrapping it around to make it a strawberry, dark, manly cologne scent. That's the best way that I can really describe this. Now, if you are a fan of leather, I think you'll really enjoy this scent. And like I said, this is a very popular scent. It's really unique, so I think it's fantastic and a nice touch for AZTEC to add to their lineup. I don't really know how Jesus really did put all this together in the beard oil, but it smells fantastic. So a great job on this scent in particular, and I think you guys really do need to check this out if you do look into AZTEC Beard Company. Now, AZTEC Beard Company is also rolling out limited edition scents. They had one for Cinco de Mayo that was called Zaragoza. It had tequila, bay leaf, citrus notes, smoke, oak moss, all that good stuff was rolled up into it, making it a fantastic Cinco de Mayo cologne scent. Unfortunately, that one is sold out, so definitely follow them on Instagram and check out their website periodically so you'll know when these limited edition scents drop, and that way you can pick them up before they sell out. Overall, I would highly recommend AZTEC Beard Company to you guys to spend your money on these products. I think they're fantastic. So definitely check out their website, see all of the scent profiles that they have available, and also check out their swag and their gear because that stuff looks fantastic as well. I hope you guys did enjoy this episode. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, stay safe and stay bearded.